Big thanks again for John for sending the clip in. And this is a classic. He's obviously holding back because the road up ahead is blocked. Is it clear after the white van? Not quite yet, but I think the small move forward may very well have been to tell people behind that he's soon going to be clearing, because John's worked out that the skip lorry has now got its entrance to reverse into, and it's going to be clear in a moment. That's great driving, but how many of you watching this would probably be on the horn, blaring at John for waiting and doing the correct thing? And how many of you would do what this final car does? But John, being John, still tries to find the best solution, waits opposite the entrance to the right, and hopefully that car did pull in. Let us know what did happen if you can, John. Thanks again, mate.